I'm out here looking at the jump here. This is the old jump that I'm gonna change up a bit. It's pretty janky, like tires and brakes holding up. It's pretty good triple, but I mean it doesn't launch you very high. It just shoots you far. It's a good, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 feet. But it was meant for pit bikes. It's just kind of getting boring, and I want a jump that'll be better for, you know, like a full-size dirt bike. Something that'll just launch you. And so, yeah, we're gonna change it up. Here's a video of me hitting it on a pit bike. That's just a 150. So yeah. So instead of the jump going straight over that way into the fence, I'm gonna angle it over there so we have a lot more space to jump and then land and then slow down. Just pull that out. I'm gonna throw it on top of this thing. Hopefully, we're just gonna send her high and wide. All right, guys, so I basically got the jump built. It's a bit janky, not gonna lie. Honestly, I kind of wanted it to be a little bit bigger. I don't know if I got the angle right. It's pretty hard. Jump's also a little bit like crooked. It's like sideways like that. So, and I wanted it to be over on this hill right here, but the angle wasn't leading over there to that corner, so I had to move it over here. And dug a hole so the ramp could go into the ground, so you'd have a smooth go up. And no landing right now, but in the yard there is like a slight incline right here that goes down, and I hope with the jump we'll be able to make it to that incline about there. It's hard to see on camera, but hopefully we can jump from there to literally there. That looks pretty massive on camera, but I'd be happy if the jump can make it over there. Even though I want it to be a little bit bigger, if it can jump me to over there, I'll be quite satisfied. So I got this smoothed out a little bit, and I guess the only thing left to do is just send her, you know, see where the land spot generally is, where I generally land, and then we'll start building a fat landing. There's a dirt pile there, and a bunch of horse manure to help make a landing. So, just gonna send her. Power, too much power in the old CR250. Well, just jumped her and the handlebars went straight down. But yeah, guys, not really jumping the jump very far right now because there's no landing at all. So landing is definitely coming in the future, but it's getting dark, so I'm probably not going to make it tonight.
Hey guys, so that's probably going to be the end of the video right there. I would build a landing, but it's getting dark. Camera actually lightens it up a lot more, but it's actually pretty dark for me. Definitely want to hit this jump harder, but just jumping to flat, it's just like snapping my spine in half, so it kind of hurts. But yeah, it's pretty good. The run up and the takeoff is a little bit sketch because it's like flat and then really steep really fast. And I did make it to that incline I wanted to make it to earlier. The back tire exceeded that point, so I mean that's got to be at least 20-25 feet. It could probably be a lot bigger with a landing, but until then it's just a spine snapper because it shoots you pretty high up. You don't go very far, but I mean you go pretty high, so definitely not something a pit bike could hit, but whatever. So add me on Instagram, because there's videos from this jump that I even put on Instagram. No, not Instagram, Snapchat. And then follow me on Instagram. But I haven't posted anything about this on Instagram, just Snapchat. Snapchat, I post a lot. Instagram's every like once in a while, and it's like only cool stuff, you know. And I only post cool stuff on Snapchat. At least I think it's decent. Alright, but yeah, this is the Screaming Eagle 69. She's an old CR250. Well, she's not very old, it's an 05. And she's pretty mint. She rips, bud. But she's not mine. It's just a friend's. He's leaving at my house because he's on vacation. And I'm just supposed to secure it for him. But I've been riding it and sending it. So, I mean, she's pretty mint, bud. Yale Suzuki. Suspension. Stiff as a chicken nugget, dude. That thing would probably literally break my spine. I'm probably going to go hit it right after this video, but see ya!
Oh my